Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2012 Audi A4 maintenance light reset. We are going to use this screen up here and these buttons down here. We're going to be using the start button to turn on the car and the scroller. The scroller acts as a enter button, so you can press on it. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and you're gonna go ahead and hit the car button. Forgot about that. This car button right here. Go ahead and press it, and when you press it, it will take you to this page. And when you get here, go ahead and scroll down to service interval display. Enter on it. Okay, go ahead and scroll down to reset oil change interval. Enter on it, and go ahead and scroll up to yes and enter on yes. And there it is, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.